Hey, it's John Marc, and I have a real challenging 3 easy step lesson for you today. It's going to be a little kitty cat in a little fish submarine. Alright, so get your creativity on, get your pencils and paper ready, and let's begin today's lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Hey, now that was a challenging lesson today for sure. I had a great time putting it together and sharing it with you. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, I'm just going to ask you to hit that little subscription button there. I appreciate that. And to all my big buds that actually follow me right now, high five to you guys. All right, I appreciate that, and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.